How to fix alarm no sound in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, open clock app and then click on alarms. Now here you can see all your alarms. If you turn off your alarm, then turn on your alarm. After that, click on alarm and then click on ringtone. Now here you can set your default ringtone. If you select none, then your mobile does not ringtone. Then select default. After that, go back to your home screen and open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option clock. Now click on clock and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of clock. After clear data and cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.